Say hello, Boots. Okay, this has been the usual back of his head, right?
Can you imagine driving this thing?
No. I left my makeup brush in the car. Let's put my eyebrows on, and then we're going to Pandora. You excited? And it's my boots. Just got off the ride.
Hello.
Hello. Now we're gonna go to find a bathroom. Oh, there it is. Focus. Okay. Yeah, we just got off the Avatar ride.
Easily one of the best rides I've ever been on. Hands down.
It was like
any experience.
I wanted to cry happy
it's
tears.
Like sensual. Is that the right word? Yeah, sensual. Like you have scents and
oh yeah,
fragrances.
Feeling. And I absolutely hate roller coasters, so if I like it, then it's a good time. Now we have to find a bathroom and then we're gonna go on the river of Mora River. We'll check back in then.
Alright.
I got a brain freeze.
I'm dying of brain freeze. Don't let it touch the roof of your gum.
Oh, that's what it is?
Yeah. If you let it touch the roof of your mouth, you'll get a brain freeze.
That was like the worst brain freeze I've ever had.
I got two. I got a pickle. I got a pickle. Hey. She has a juice. Blossom Night, that's what it's called?
I think so.
Night Blossom? I think it's Night Blossom. Alright, bye.
Okay, bye. Some self-timer for video? That's a first. It's still fairly new. Are you liking your drink? I said we should get one. He said we should get two. Now we're struggling with two because it's sweet. Should have just got one. I was right. It is. It's kind of sweet.
It's like syrup.
I think like 3 people can probably share this.
It's not even in there.
Ah. They're cute.
They're doing it the same way.
Very similar to that of a zebra, but they're not. They're actually related to. Now the average non-crocodile gets to around 16 feet in length and around 500 pounds and 20 feet in height. Now the giraffes that are here in our reserve are Maasai. You can tell they're Maasai giraffe by looking at their pattern. They have a messy pattern. It doesn't have those clean-cut lines. Their patterns happen to be unique to each animal, kind of like our fingerprints are for us. No two patterns are the exact same for these animals. African wild dogs are nicknamed painted dogs because their markings look like they've been painted on. These African wild dogs are incredibly successful hunters. They are more successful than lions or cheetahs. They will chase their prey until their prey becomes exhausted, and from there they'll catch whatever it is that they're going after. Called Watusi cattle. You guys will notice that they have pretty massive horns. Their horns can grow up to 6 feet in length. And you think that their horns are pretty heavy, but they're not. They're actually quite hollow. They have a bunch of blood capillaries in their horns and a honeycomb pattern. Whenever there's a large group of giraffes together, it's called a tower. Very cute heart-shaped nose. Hopefully we'll see it just up ahead. They also will secrete a special oil onto their coat, which does allow for them to have a water-resistant coat. And one more good look of those lions.
He's pooping.
I'm already wet on this house. What's the point?
You're good. Did it wet you? Did it wet you? Okay. And then steam's supposed to come out.
Yeah.
It's insane. What does it feel like? I want to try.
It's hard. That's real.
Look at this teardrop. You didn't get wet, but I did, and I have the afro for protection. What are you doing? But I also don't want to walk into the same one.
Who? Oh, is he back there?
Oh my gosh. It's time to go. Bye, beautiful place. Are you happy with this place?
I am. This place is awesome.
We have to come back. All these shots will be of Jared. Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye, Animal Kingdom.
Goodbye.
I mean, we're going to Epcot right now, so it's almost like a goodbye, but then not a goodbye Disney because we still have to go to Epcot.
See if we'll make it.
The resort bus is at 10 o'clock. I'm trying to ride the soaring ride. We ran into a really nice couple. They told us to go on it, but it is a but it's a 2-hour wait. To say it's a busy day is like an understatement. Yeah, bus stops 11 to 17. We're 15. Okay, so we're gonna go to Epcot. Hopefully that's like 30 minutes. We finished the river of Mora from Pandora pretty early, so we have time. So we have time for Epcot to stand in another 2-hour line, but it's okay. Next time we're gonna come one. It's chill, but it's still fun.
Look, look, look.
I think everyone's slow. Everyone leaving? We're entering. Actual madness. We're not going anywhere anytime soon. You know, Disney is actually insane when you are having dinner on the floor. On the floor. Here's the Sprite. On the floor. Here we go.
I just like how it's shaped.
We're currently leaving the park. Good night. Happy New Year's. Now it's dark. Ooh, not bad. I just look so oily. Anyways, the point is, we're leaving the park, and I would never wish that on my worst enemy. Like, see this handbag on the front of my chest? That's how close people were to me. Way too close. It was only for like a good 5 minutes because everyone came for the fireworks or stayed for it and then they left. But it's 9 something. There's a 10 o'clock bus. We're seeing if there's an earlier bus.
Okay.
Because we'd rather relax in the hotel. But something tells me if it's 9 something.
No, the earliest is 10.
Yeah, so we're just gonna wait here till 10. It's really fine.
You wanna sit on the bench?
I'd rather sit outside. Good morning. It is now January 1st. Happy New Year. I did not give a tour of the room and now it is a complete mess. But I just want to at least show where we stayed and if we'd recommend it. So we really didn't get to spend that much time at the hotel just because we went to 3 parks in 2 days. But this is an overview. Jared took out this thing here to put the little luggage on. So this is the bathroom. A toilet, a sink, my outfit. But got everything. This is a pan. To me, it's just a regular room. Nothing crazy. But a place to lay your head. The thing is, what I've realized is that everyone comes to Orlando. Just to think how many people are in and out of this hotel, in and out, just like grosses me out. And this is supposed to be a 4.5-star hotel, and I don't know about that 4.5 star. It's not a bad hotel, but I think 4.5 stars is pretty high. I don't know, it's because like I've seen other hotels, but like maybe they're saying it's 4.5 stars on like a clean scale. There's like a lazy river. Some pools didn't have that. Some pools didn't have that. Some hotels didn't have that, and other hotels, like, it was more like motel style. But I mean, it's Orlando. You just don't have options here, so I think that's why it's a 4.5 star. But if you took this hotel and you dropped it in the middle of Miami, I think it would be like a 3.5 star. Anyways, I had a good time. Jared had a good time. Honestly, the best part was definitely the parks.
Oh my goodness. Oh goodness.
And that's that. Hello, today is Jared's birthday and I'm home. Apparently no one's home. His parents aren't here. His sister is here, but she's not physically here, so I'm guessing she's out with the parents. So Jared has that old iPad over there. He always puts it there before bed, like under his pillow, wherever, so when he comes home he goes back there to look for it. I got him an iPad for his birthday, and he actually said it this week. He's just like, man, my iPad is getting old. Like, it's old, so it doesn't have updates anymore. And he's just like, that's gonna be my next investment. So at Best Buy, it was on sale. It was on sale for $279. So what I'm gonna do is put it in the crack, so when he reaches for it, you guys know the rest, right? He's gonna be like, ah, and I'm gonna be like, oh. And then he's gonna be like, you shouldn't have bought this. And I'm gonna be like, but I did. Okay, so let me put you up here. Now this one, I don't know what to do with it. It's just really slow. I wonder if at the iPad store, if you turn in an old iPad, you get like a discount, because Mama wants the iPad Pro, but we're not gonna buy that anytime soon. So I just need to hide this somewhere that he won't look. I know, my underwear drawer. And just wait for him to come home. Go grab your iPad or something in the meantime.
For what? Boots, I gotta go.
Where are you going?
To AutoZone.
Why?
Because I gotta change the battery for Jesse's car.
It's fine. Can you grab the iPad for me?
Boots, what the? Oh, Boots! Oh! Why? For us?
It's for you. It's your personal one. Eye boogers are natural.
You don't ever clean them.
Are you happy with it?
Boots, this is the best. Boots. You really did have a surprise for me.
Yeah.
Boots, this is enough.
I know,
Why
but
are you spending so much money on me?
I'm not. You deserve the world. And on top of the fact that you deserve the world, you were saying how your iPad is being slow and there's no more updates. So I knew I wanted to get it for you for Christmas, but I was like, that's looking real tight, homeboy. But I was able to do it for your birthday. If you want a case or a keyboard, that's on you, kiddos. That's on you, kiddos.
It's ours.